Hello guys, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time. I am not uploading any video due to some personal reasons. So let's jump out to the today's topic. I do not remember that what I am try to make on my last videos. So don't I do not bother to do write whatever. Do. Let's okay. So here, as you see that today's our the program is to build an simple AI bot. So first of all, we will try to figure it out that what shall we our bot features puzzle. So in my mind, you can also comment in the section box. But in my mind, that bot should take input from the user, okay, and get response. And it definitely search search from wherever Google, Bing, Wikipedia, or any other you will use. And now the fourth feature will be that okay, it shall read whatever we write. Any other you have any suggestions, then you will write in the comment box. So we will not today, gradually we will increase our list. That is basically we are trying to make a prototype that what will our bot features powers. So definitely one function I will love to add on that, but I am still working on it, that it will run it will train itself and learn and become smart. So that's my basic my target, but it will definitely, with your help, I will definitely achieve my goal. So let's jump. Okay. So first of all, we will import random for basically response. So we don't need now done by. So we will build it here. Okay. So okay, we will make a list. In list, we will write hello. Hi, how are you? Whatever, as many as you want to add. So what will be the reply of computer? Sorry, what? I am good. I am fine. Okay. Hello. I am good. I am fine. Good. Okay. Now we create a function. For function we will use def. So we will write it here. Name of this cap. So we didn't want to give any parameter on that. So okay. When program run, then what should greet us with? Hello, sir. What can I do for you? Now, now we will definitely run our while loop. True. Okay. This is going to, but we will create our because so if while true, then the user equal to input. Make it u. Okay. Okay. Just wait. User input. If our input is belong to greet, then response from the reply. So we will ls. Okay. This is equal to quit and break. So we will definitely we want to call exit and okay. Let's okay. Now we will call our function because without calling it will run. So let's run our program. Let's see whether it is working or not. So it's taking time because it's didn't click. Okay. So delete it. Now run again. So hello sir, what can I do for you? So after this will run, then it will print this. After printing this, our while is start. So we is wanting from us. So we will write hi. So, so in grid there is random choice. We will again hi, and we will write again hi. Then is hi. Okay, now we can see that it's printing randomly. So okay, now we will type exit. First of all, we will write. Okay, understand. Now we will exit. So you can see this is our simple function. So that's it for today because my video is going too long. So please keep in touch and comments in the comment section below that how I can improve my bot because I am also learning. So until next video, take care.